The evening passed along and all the freshmen passed away, but Dad was little bright-eyed till the early break of day. Rah, rah, rah! What's the matter with Father? He's all right. What's the matter with Father's hair is white? Oh, there was never a vacant chair between dear Dad and the maiden fair. What's the matter with Father? He's all right. Now, Father was a doctor and a specialist, you see. While Mother slept, his midnight calls made up his specialty. One night while sleeping, she hit the parrot's cage, and as it rolled along the hall, the parrot yelled with rage.